The world is changing faster than ever before, and the need to adapt has never been so prevalent. It's no longer just the healthcare industry. Businesses, schools, and manufacturing are placing human health and safety at the forefront of their priorities. Pilkington North America, part of the NSG Group, is devoted to a healthier, cleaner, safer environment through continuous innovation and the development of new glass technologies. We are excited to introduce our new antimicrobial product line, starting with Pilkington SaniTise. When activated by UV exposure, the photocatalytic properties of Pilkington SaniTise is a proven solution to mitigate bacterial and viral threats. From public transportation to medical devices to your office window, the potential applications are endless. We are dedicated to changing our surroundings and improving our world through the first-class innovation and customer service. For more information or samples, please visit our website or contact your Pilkington representative.